A man has to go 50 meters due north, 40 meters due east, 20 meters due south to reach a field. What distance he has to walk to reach the field? What is his displacement? So we can write 50 meters due north, then 40 meters due east, then 20 meters to south. So this will be displacement. We can draw perpendicular and then we can analyze. So let's see. A to B is 50, B to C is 50, and C to D is 20. Then this remaining portion will be 30 because this is total 50. Now, this is 40. We have to find out this displacement. Here we can apply either Pythagoras theorem to get the displacement. So AD is a displacement. So that will be equal to 30 square plus 40 square, which is 50 meters. And as far as distance is concerned, distance is sum of the path covered. A to B 50 plus this is 40, B to C, and then 20. So 90 to 110 meter. Now, if we want to find out the angle, so we can evaluate this theta. So theta, we can say tan theta equal to perpendicular. Perpendicular is 40 divided by base is 30, which will give theta equal to tan inverse 4 by 30. So this is angle made from north towards east. So north to east. Question number 2. A particle starts from origin, moves along x-axis to the point 20, 0 meter, and then returns along the same line to point minus 20, 0 meter. Find the distance and displacement of the particle during the trip. So this line on which he is traveling. So here we locate this origin. This is 20, 0. This is minus 20, 0. Now person starts from here. He covers 20 meters. Then from here to here, this will be 20 plus 20, 40. So distance equal to 20 plus 20 plus 20. That will be equal to 60 meters. And displacement, this will be final position and initial position difference of the two. It's 20 meters. We can say negative x-axis or negative direction. Now, question number 3. Question number 3 says, it is 260 kilometers from Patna to Ranchi by air and 320 kilometers by road. An aeroplane takes 30 minutes to go from Patna to Ranchi, whereas a deluxe bus takes 8 hours. Find the average speed of the plane, find the average speed of the bus, find the average velocity of the plane, find the average velocity of the bus. So, average speed of the two for bus, suppose V average. So it would be distance divided by time. So straight distance is 260 kilometers. Divided by time is 30 minutes, 0.5 hour. So this will be 520 kilometers per hour. This is for plane. For bus, this is for plane. For bus, the average will be bus has to cover 320 kilometers. 320 divided by time is 8 hours. So this will be 40 kilometers per hour. Now, average velocity, find the average speed of the bus, find the average velocity of the plane. Now, average velocity. So for average velocity, displacement we have to take, but for plane, displacement and distance both are same. So it will be 260 divided by 0.5, that is 520 kilometers per hour. And this is for plane. Now, average velocity for bus. So this time we have to take 260 because straight distance, but time will be 8 hours. So that will give 32.5 kilometer per hour. Now let's go to next question. When a person leaves his home for sightseeing by his car, the meter reads 12352 kilometer. When he returns after 2 hours, the reading becomes this much. So here difference or distance will be the difference of the two. 12413 minus 12352. So we can find the difference. It will be 1 and then 61 kilometer, and displacement will be 0 because body comes back. This is 0. Now, average speed will be 61 divided by time taken is 2 hours, so 2 kilometer per hour, and average velocity will be 0. Question number 5. An athlete takes 2 seconds to reach its maximum speed of 18 kilometers per hour after starting from rest. What is magnitude of his acceleration? So here, starting from rest, time is 2 seconds. Maximum speed is 18 kilometers per hour. So 18 kilometer per hour can be converted to meter per second. 18 into 5 by 18. That is 5 meter per second. So this corresponds to 5 meter per second. Now acceleration equal to here speed upon time, speed maximum 5 minus 0 is 5 divided by 2 minus 0 is 2. So 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5 kilometer per hour squared. Sorry, here we are calculating meter per second, so this will be meter per second squared. Question number 6. The speed of a car as function of time is shown in the figure. Find the distance traveled by car in 8 seconds and its acceleration. The figure is this. From this figure, we can evaluate the various values are indicated. This corresponds to 8 and here 6, 4, 2, This is second, this is time, and here this is speed in meter per second. This point corresponds to 20. This point corresponds to 10. Okay, now distance traveled by car, that will be equal to area under VT graph. This is velocity, this is time. So distance traveled equals area under VT graph. So 1 by 2, area of triangle, half base. Your base will be 0 to 8, that is 8 into height. This corresponds to 20. So this will become 80 meter. Now acceleration. Acceleration means slope of VT graph. So here we take this value and this value. So 20 minus 10 and corresponding time 8 minus 4. That is 10 divided by 4, which is 2.5 meter per second square. Thank you for watching.